I came across a post, a homeowner is complaining that the plumber he hired for $50 could not change a faucet. And this homeowner got really pissed off. He made 8 posts over 5 days complaining about the $50. I want to just comment on this very quickly and say, first of all, if you have so much energy and time to spend 5 days and 8 posts to complain about $50, maybe you need something better to do in your life. And two, a $50 price point for anybody to show up at your house is just ridiculously cheap. At this point, you are hiring somebody who's extremely unqualified and there's no way to vet them. A proper company doing the same service will charge at least $300 to $500. Having a company with more reputation on the line with an established presence will lessen the chance that something ridiculous like this happens. I also want to talk about if you're looking for the cheapest price, chances are you're going to get burned. Our properties are worth hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars. Don't cheap out on hiring a qualified contractor to do service at your home. Do not try to save to the point that you are sacrificing quality and your sanity. If you have run into something like this, leave a comment below.